Welcome to this tutorial on function references in Kotlin. Today, we're going to learn how to use the double colon operator to reference existing functions. This is a powerful feature that makes your code cleaner and more readable. Function references provide a way to reference existing functions without actually calling them. Instead of writing a Lambda expression, you can use the double colon operator to create a callable reference to a function. This reference can then be passed as a parameter to higher-order functions. Let's compare two approaches. On the left, you see a traditional Lambda expression with the filter function. It uses the it keyword to check if a number is greater than 0. On the right, you see the same logic using a function reference. Instead of writing the Lambda, we simply use double colon followed by the function name is positive. Both achieve the same result, but the function reference is more concise. The syntax for function references is straightforward. You write two colons, followed by the function name. The double colon operator creates a reference to an existing function that can be passed as a parameter to other functions. Think of it as pointing to a function rather than calling it. Here's a practical example. First, we define a top-level function called isEven that takes an integer and returns true if it's even. Then, we create a list of numbers from 1 to 5. To filter only the even numbers, we pass the function reference double colon isEven to the filter method. Kotlin automatically calls isEven for each element in the list. Function references also work with class methods. In this example, we have a validator class with an isValid method. We create an instance of validator, then use a function reference to call the method. Notice the syntax. We write the instance name, validator, followed by double colon, and then the method name isValid. This passes the bound method reference to the filter function. You can also reference methods of a class type itself without an instance. Here, we reference the length property of the string class. We write string double colon length, which creates a reference to the length property getter. This is equivalent to writing a Lambda with it.length, but much more concise. Kotlin knows to call the length property on each string in the list. Function references offer several key benefits. First, they're more readable than Lambdas for simple operations. Second, they promote code reusability since you can reference the same function multiple times. Third, they provide clear intent because the function name describes what it does. And finally, they're concise, requiring less boilerplate code. Use function references whenever you have an existing function that matches the required signature.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.